Yorana, Kaoha, Kuraora, Enakoto, e Aronga. I have the pleasure of introducing some of the numbers that Makamae, Melia, and Polynesia will present today. They're going to take you first to the archipel of the Tuamotus and their Mehura of Uruarangi, featuring the lovely Ivana Moi. After that, they're going to take you all the way across French Polynesia to the kingdom of Tonga, where it's actually a Whaikava love song called Baby No Homai. Baby No Homai was rewritten by the wife of a Punake here in the Bay Area, and my wife Veire Tupanasem, who they translated the song from Tongan to Reo Tahiti. And this was done at Kikiraina Tahiti Fete 2002, earlier this year. And following that, we're going to take you to the island of Porapora with the song Vaitape. And finally to our last Otea set, which was done by our Kamari'i group. And they will be taking you to school. Yes, to school in Tahiti, in which they're going to be showing you their Otea and their Piapa. So put your hands together, please, for Ivana Moi representing Makamae and the Mehura Ruarangi.
Dio